This is the Mahle OC105 anti-drain back valve. It's pretty sturdy. Looks a lot like the man filter. It has this ribbon on the bottom right here that is interesting. I don't know exactly, maybe that helps the bypass a little bit. It has a spring on the base of it instead of a that flat springy with the four legs that the man has. Bypass valve, I think 2.5 bar on B6 A4 filter. This has 65 pleats. I think 65 and a half if you count this middle piece. As the man, it's a very sturdy filter. Can't really be faulted. It's very, very tough and strong and sturdy. There it is. Fits in your hand. Motul oil 8100 XS 5W40 is my oil of choice. This is of course made in Austria. They always come printed made in Austria. This one has 8 holes, whereas the man has 4 holes. I always thought that was kind of silly why they would only have 4 holes on the man. I cut this one open with a Dremel and a ceramic bit. Just about ate up the whole bit. Well, a bit and a half opening this thing this way. Again, it's the OC105 oil filter from Mahle. It has 65 pleats, or 65 and a half, counting the crimp rib. Seems to have a reliable anti-drain back valve. It's like metal shrapnel everywhere from the... I want to say this feels like rubber. This doesn't feel like silicone or latex or whatever the man anti-drain back is. Now, I could be wrong, but if you ask me, this is rubber. I know what rubber feels like. I don't know if that's such a hot thing to have. Again, another look at the spring that keeps the filter media sitting above the base of the filter. Like I said, man has like a quad leg flat plate that attaches to the base. Whereas this one, as you can see, sits like that. Pretty damn sturdy spring. Pretty good filter. This filter probably has about 8,000 miles on it. I don't see big cause for concern within the pleats, other than my metal shavings from cutting it open. Pretty good filter. And as I did with the man filter, I showed the inner centrifugal whatchamajigget. I think the inner holes here, the way they're spaced, is different than the man. So there are